I just wanted to show you when you buy your Minelab 2300, there are two tones. A lot of people don't realise there are two tones you can listen to as you're detecting. I'll just turn this on. There's a higher tone and a lower tone. Minelab, it comes out factory preset with a higher tone. I much prefer, and we always do our training with the lower tone. As we get older, we tend to lose the higher tones or the higher frequencies. So this is set in our standard tone that we always listen to, the lower tone. I'm just going to turn this off and I'll show you how we change it. That's our speaker button there, so I've turned it off. Hold your finger on the speaker button, turn it on at the same time, and you heard that change when you turned it on. It's now set in the higher tone. So when this comes on, it'll be much higher tone. So this is how if you buy one, this is what it will be set like. A lot of people don't realise you can actually change it. So I'm going to turn that off again, and I'm going to change the tone back to the tone that I like, or the one we prefer, and that's the lower tone. So hold your finger on the button, turn it on at the same time, and you heard that go down in tone. So this is the new tone. You don't have to change it again, it's set in your machine all the time now. It's a much better tone to listen to, and I think you'll hear more targets. The other thing I want to show you is how to check your battery. You can see the little symbols down here. That's your battery symbol there. You hold both the auto tune or the noise cancel button and the speaker button at the same time, and the lights will light up as to where the power of the battery is. If it goes up to here, it's full. Down here is empty. So as you can see, it's about 3/4 full. Take your fingers off. It's always good to check your battery. Always good to have a second set of batteries just in case. If you keep going over loud targets all day in a rubbishy area, you'll run your batteries down much quicker. So hope that's been a help.